Hi, Kumar here, and in this video we're going to be going over trend analysis. So trend analysis is very important when we're analyzing our charts. What we mean by trend is simply what direction is price going in. Or is the price upward sloping or downward sloping? The reason we ask this is because we want to trade with the trend as much as possible. What we mean here is that if the trend is up, so prices are rising, we want to be taking long positions. And if the trend is down, which is falling prices, we want to be taking short positions. So in essence, we want to be going with the flow of the currency. An uptrend should generally have higher highs and higher lows. So as we can see, the highs that are indicated are getting higher as we go up the chart. And the lows that are being indicated are getting higher as we go forward in the chart. So everything is pointing upwards, the highs are getting higher, the lows are getting higher. That equals an uptrend. So here we're looking to take long positions. A downtrend should generally have lower highs and lower lows. So if we look at these highs, as we go forward in the chart, they're getting lower. And if we look at the lows as we go forward in the chart, they're also getting lower. Lower highs and lower lows equals a downtrend. And so here we're looking for short positions. Please note that there may be times that we're going to be trading against the trend, but you would only do this if it is a very high probability trade. What we mean when we say trading against the trend is that you are taking a position that is in the opposite direction to the trend. So if the trend is upwards, you are trading against the trend if you are going short, or if the trend is downwards, you are trading against the trend if you are going long. So as we can see here, the trend is up, so it's favoring longs. So if we take a short as indicated on the chart, we would be trading against the trend at that point, because we have price rising, and at this point if we want to sell, we would be trading against the trend. Trend is up, and we will be selling here, so we're going in the opposite way to the trend. Here we have the trend down, which is favoring shorts. So if at the point indicated we want to go long, we're going to be trading against the trend. Trend is down, and we want to be going long. Therefore, we're going in the opposite direction to the trend. We are trading against the trend. So that was pretty simple. We always want to pay attention to the trend, so we always know which way we should be trading that particular chart. Next, we're going to go through a quick test to see how well you've understood the concepts shown so far. Please continue over to the next page of the training, and I'll see you in the next video.